And finally, after 4 years, countless messages on Instagram, and over 9,000 kilometers later, finally the day has come that we are going to visit Cory. Our next stop after Raleigh is going to be Kannapolis, where Cory and his family is living, and we could not wait to see them. Something that was just a wild idea when we made our initial planning for the US trip finally is lying so close before us. We spent an entire day with them, and we had so much fun that we unfortunately did not really film that much, and in a way also wanted to have this experience as a private one. Nevertheless, I asked Cory to make a video clip about his room where he is doing his artwork, and most of his artwork is hanging on his walls. When I texted Cory about 4 years ago seeing one of his paintings and drawings from the Hunger Games, I did not really expect any reply from him because at this point my YouTube was not really existent. But it really took not a long time until he responded, and a really deep friendship developed over time. I am a really big fan of his artwork, and especially his paintings and drawings are just mind-blowing. As you can see from his walls, he is so much into scary movies that he also often has this topic in his paintings. But besides that, he is really great in nature, in portraiture. Especially his wildlife scenes are just so pretty. Have you noticed the shark painting hanging over his bed? This one is especially great. Even greater when you see it close up in real life. So if you are into wildlife or sea life especially, he is the one you can commission to paint it for you. So to just give you a small impression, I also asked him to send me a couple of his recent commissions that he did, and when I was able to raise your interest in his artwork, please also make sure to follow him on Instagram, where he constantly updates his current works. He is such a nice and caring person, and his skills when it comes to art are just amazing. And I also made him do his first steps into acrylic pouring already, so if I can add another favor, subscribe to his channel, support him where you can, and encourage him to step even deeper into acrylic pouring. Besides all the art-related talks that we had when we were visiting, we also had a great barbecue dinner with his family, and also his grandparents came over and said hi, which was so lovely. So once more, thank you so much guys for having us at this special day. We were so much looking forward to it, and you made it even better than we could have imagined in our dreams. Having the entire family there together, having the dinner together, and having talked about so many topics really has created a lasting memory in our minds. Thank you so much for having been a family far away from home for us. After the days in Kannapolis, it was time to pack up our car again and move towards Baltimore, where the plane is going to leave a couple days later. The next stop on the tour is Roanoke. Hi folks! We are sitting in the green enjoying the nature, and we did not really film the last days that much. We have currently arrived in Roanoke and we are waiting to check in into these Marriott Spring Hill Suites, so we took the time to take a walk around the area. We see if we can get some more scenery captures here the next hours. Actually, weather forecast is going to predict thunderstorm and rain. We will see what is coming and if we can get some more photos and video clips and something for the next video, guys. So yeah, see you later then. Bye bye. As you can see, the nature in Roanoke is really pretty and we had a good time there. As it only was one day, there is not so much to film after all. Right the next morning we packed up again and moved over to Charlottesville, which is also the last stop before we reach Baltimore. As it again was brutally warm in Charlottesville, we did only walk around the block again, but we were pretty lucky being close to the university and had the chance to make some photos there, and it is among the most beautiful campuses that I've ever seen. It was so pretty and nicely arranged. So this was the major part of the afternoon and I hope you enjoy watching them as well. And finally, our last stop, Baltimore. As we were pretty close to the airport and therefore pretty much outside of the city, we did not do so much than enjoying our time within the hotel, moving around the area as we usually do, and actually we just had to wait for the plane to depart. I hope you all enjoyed our vacation trip. We really much did enjoy being in the United States. It was fabulous 3 weeks. We did see so much, we experienced so much, and we really want to come back visiting so many more cities. Yeah, we just cannot wait being back there and exploring the country a bit more. So let us know in the comments if you like this video as well. Please make also sure to have a look at Cory's channel. It would really mean a lot to both of us. And yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.